Hello lovelies, hello family, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have with me the first panel of a mesh stitch that I'm gradually turning into a cover wrap, and I know you can also do it. This is also a beginner friendly and is a very simple tutorial as well, so please stay with me and let's continue. On the list of material we have jeans plus yarn. This is a fresh green yarn, which is a very beautiful one, but on camera is showing something like blue. It's very green. This 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. Look at that, it's so beautiful. And also the tape measure, markers, and a 5mm hook. So I'll begin with a slip knot. It is also a beginner friendly, guys. With the help of my hook, my crochet hook, I'll just slip that through this loop and begin with 104 chains. I'm done with my 104 chains. What would happen next is that I'll count 3 chains from the hook and would make a double crochet in the 4th chain, as you can see, and then I would chain 5, so I'll skip 3 chains and go into the 4th chain. And also make a double crochet here. So we have 3 chains on the hook, pull out through 2, and then you pull out through 2. You have 1 chain, you go through the next chain, you make a double crochet as well. And then you continue with another chain of 5. You skip 3 chains, and then you go through the 4th chain. So you're going to continue this till the end. So you make 5 chains. Skip 3 chains, go through the 4th chain. You repeat this till you get to the end. So this is the end of the very first row. So to continue, I'm going to chain 3. So this first chain for the second row also stands as a double crochet. I turn my work. Now I'm going to make another double crochet in the next chain. I'm saying chains a lot, I know. But you have to watch to know what I'm talking about. And I make 5 chains. go through the on top of the next double crochet, then another double crochet on the next double crochet. So this is actually a repeat row. You have to repeat this until you get to your desired length. 5 chains, go to the next double crochet, and then another double crochet, so you're going to continue until you finish with the second row. I'm going to chain the last 5 chains on the second row. Then I make a double crochet on the next double crochet. Then another double crochet on the next 3 chains. So I'm done with the second row. Okay, we'll continue with the third row. So to continue with the third row, I have to make 3 chains on the top, and these 3 chains also serve as a double crochet. Okay, I turn my work, then I make a double crochet in the next chain here, the next double crochet. And then I make 5 chains. You're hearing a lot of chains because that's what it is. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, and then I go through the double crochet here. So it's going to be the repetition of row 2 throughout until you get to your desired length. And a double crochet. In 5 chains. 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. I don't know, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then a double crochet here. Then it continues. I'm going to make the last 5 chains on the third row. We have 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, then I make a double crochet on top of this double crochet here, and then I make another double crochet here, and then we continue with the row 4. Make 3 chains, and I turn my work, and make a double crochet on top of this double crochet here, and then it continues. Row 4 begins. 1 2 3 4 5. So you repeat this until you get to your desired length. So I'm going to meet you at my desired length. Okay, yeah, so just keep repeating row 2 and then you get there. Okay, so this is row 4. I'm going to add more rows and then get back to you. So I've made about 47 rows, and this is how it looks when I spread it on the table. This is the first panel and I'm almost done. So if you're just joining me, I'm making a cover wrap, a crochet cover wrap, and this is a mesh stitch style. Okay, so it's almost done, but I just have to add some few more rows and that'll be all. We're on the 47th row, and if you've just joined my channel, I'm making a cover wrap, a crochet cover wrap, as I said earlier. So we continue with 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 5. And now watch here, I almost made a mistake. Okay, so sometimes I forget and then I continue with a double crochet here, which means I only make 1 double crochet. It's easily done, so please don't forget you have to make 2 double crochets before you continue. Okay, I almost missed that, so I'll make another double crochet before I continue. And then I make my 5 chains. One, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's continue. Then so I'm going to add more rows. We are on the 47th row. I would add more rows and then get back to you. You're almost done with the first panel of the cover wrap I'm making. Okay, hello guys, welcome back. Yeah, so I had to stop at the 53rd row, which I think is the right row, and which means it's the end of this tutorial as well. So I'm going to see you in the second tutorial, which is joining the 2 panels together. Okay, and to finish off with the cover wrap. Yeah, so the first tutorial is just to show you how the mesh stitch is done. Okay, and the second tutorial is going to be about how to join both panels and to make the cover wrap itself. Yeah, so this is all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for subscribing, and when you have to subscribe, please don't forget to press on notification. If there's anything you want me to add, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so see you in my next tutorial. Have a nice time. Bye bye.